Namaskar. There are certain physical ailments which can be generally prevented by making a few lifestyle changes. Piles is one of them. Piles or hemorrhoids are actually a normal features of the human anatomy, but they become problem only when they become painful or they bleed or they itch. Such problems causing piles are lumps occurring inside or around anus, which contain swollen or enlarged blood vessels. Well, piles can be classified in two ways: internal and external. Internal piles originates at the top or rectal side of the anal canal. They lie deep inside the rectum and one can neither see nor feel them. They don't usually hurt because there are few pain-sensing nerves in the rectum. Bleeding may be the only sign that they are present. Now, let us find out more about external pile. These originate at the lower end of the anal canal, near the anus, and are often uncomfortable. Sometimes in the course of passing a stool, external piles may prolapse and can easily seen or felt. Such prolapsed external pile can cause an external painful condition called thrombosis or thrombosed piles. The causes of piles are very simple to understand and are mostly related to bowel movements. See, piles can be a result of straining while passing large or hard stools, constipation due to less fluids in the body, and low fiber diet, or sitting for a long period of time at work or at home, spending too much time on the toilet seat, chronic diarrhea or obesity, anal intercourse, pregnancy, and childbirth. If you look closely at the causes of piles, you will find that most of them are completely preventable. Yogic techniques can be very effective in preventing the occurrence of piles and also controlling them from becoming worse. This brings us to four important lifestyle management: Ahar, food; Vihar, relaxation and recreation; Achar, behavioral pattern; and Vichar, thought processes. The first pillar is Ahar, diet and nutrition. The important thing to remember here is that one's stool should become soft enough to pass without causing much strain to the anal muscles. Food should have more fibers in diet and eat foods like bananas, unpolished red rice, sprouts and fruits which are not peeled. Drink soups or buttermilk along with your meals. Reduce salt intake as excess salt leads to fluid retention, which in turn causes swelling in all the veins. Be aware while eating and eat in a relaxed state. Avoid overeating. Avoid tea, coffee, alcohol, non-vegetarian food, spicy food, and processed food. Drink around 2 to 2.5 liters of water in a day. Take lemon juice between two meals. Have isabgol, which is a fleece husk, a natural stool softener. Or you can have castor oil after dinner for complete evacuation of the bowels. Avoid taking laxatives because they can irritate the whole lining of the alimentary canal. The second pillar is Vihar, rest, relaxation and sleep. Here one's aims should be avoid putting excess pressure on the vein in the lower rectum. Stay active and avoid sitting for a long period of time. Take short walks of 10 minutes 2 to 3 times a day. Walk for 30 minutes daily in calm surrounding, as it really helps to relax and it also stimulates bowel function. Go swimming and do other aerobic exercises such as outdoor games. Practice relaxation techniques once or twice in a day, as it helps to develop a relaxed attitude towards life. Good sleeping habits helps in proper digestion and prevents constipation. Next, we come to Achar, everyday activity. Clearing bowels or passing a stool as soon as one feels the urge is very important. Waiting for a convenient time or delay may cause constipation. Avoid straining during hard stool and sitting for a long time on a toilet seat. Take a hip bath with cold water for 10 minutes. Do this every day or use an ice pack. Application of coconut oil or petroleum jelly has a soothing effect. Yoga asanas like Viparit Karni and Sarvangasana, which are inverted poses, give good relief from an irritation or pain. Standing forward bent asanas like Hastapadasana and Chakrasana help in keeping your digestive system healthy and prevent constipation. Practicing Ashwini Mudra by contracting and relaxing the anal muscles and genital muscles in sitting or an inverted posture helps to strengthen the anal muscles and prevent the enlargement or swelling of piles. But it should not be practiced during acute and painful condition. Always avoid lifting heavy weights and other strenuous activities which may cause the piles to flare up. The final lifestyle pillar is vichar, our thought processes. Piles can also be caused by mental stress and worry. Let us see how to overcome this factor. First of all, learn to let go and do not be too attached to material things in life. Cultivate mindfulness in everyday action and be specially aware about your food habits. Feel grateful about everything you are blessed with to bring positivity in your life. In a diary, write 10 positive points every day. Learn meditation and practice it regularly. Surrender all your anxiety and doubts to a higher reality and trust that all will be well. Follow these 4 pillars like Ahar, Vihar, Achar and Vichar not only as a preventive measure but also an effective remedies for piles. Over the years, the case studies have shown that with yogic management and with correct lifestyle, piles can totally be cured and person can lead a completely pain-free and happy lifestyle. Namaskar.